Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool. Usually they look more like this, and you will find it somewhere in the box that the device came in. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now from here, once you've got either one of those, you want to locate the tray, which is on the top left side of the phone. Place the pin in, as you can see, and here push it in, and as you can see, the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to just grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. I'll be occupying one of each, so I'm just gonna quickly show you. If you're planning to use 2 SIM cards, you just place one of them sideways on the SD tray, like this. But like I said, because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over and place this one right here, and there we go. From there, slide it back into the device, and the cards should start working right away. So getting reception, give it a second. There we go, there is our reception, and also you can see there is a notification about SD card being detected as well. So that is how you'd insert your cards into the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.